Early, and we certainly have had a lot to be thankful for with far fewer cases of COVID for months now. This morning, the CDC reporting that there has been an uptick in COVID-19 cases. The agency showing an increase in the 7-day moving average in new cases since late March. Becker's Hospital Review reports that in 40 states out of the 50, we're seeing an increase in hospitalizations. Dre Clark is joining us live now with more. Dre?
Adrienne, good morning. If the number of COVID cases continues to go up, we could soon start seeing people standing in long lines at testing sites all over again, like the one you see here behind me. And as you mentioned a moment ago, the CDC says now that more than 40 states have elevated COVID cases, and that's not good news as we are now moving closer to the very busy summer season.
There's no need for panic, but it's time to prepare. That's the message from public health officials as a highly contagious Omicron subvariant sweeps the nation. This map showing the areas of concern, with counties in Nevada, Nebraska, and upstate New York dealing with the most new COVID cases. In Nevada, a state of 3.2 million people, right now there are 239 new cases per day. In Nebraska, according to the CDC, new cases have spiked 500%. And in New York, a state with 19 million people, 12 died from COVID last Friday. Other states are worried their numbers will substantially increase in the coming days.
This uptick in the numbers is, makes us nervous about how far this is going to go.
The CDC says currently 40 states have elevated COVID cases. Hospitalizations also going up in more than 30 of those states. In the Northeast, New York, New Jersey, and across New England, new COVID cases are among the highest in the country. New York City has raised its COVID alert level from low to medium. And Sunday, New York Governor Kathy Hochul announced she tested positive for COVID, saying, "Thankfully, I'm vaccinated and boosted, and I'm asymptomatic." Meanwhile, on the West Coast in Los Angeles County, they have a near 200% spike in new cases.
We're now into our 6th wave.
Health officials believe the relaxation of mask mandates and people socializing more closely are among the reasons why COVID cases are spiking. It was the Omicron variant BA.1 that led to a surge of COVID cases in the winter. Now it appears its relative BA.2 is circulating heavily in the U.S., and scientists have identified at least 3 other subvariants present around the world, each one more contagious than the next.
The CDC estimates more than 5,000 people could very well die from COVID in the next coming weeks. This as the U.S. is now approaching a very sad milestone, that being 1 million people in this country dying from COVID. And Adrienne, if there was any good news in this story, it is that most cases involving this latest strain sweeping across the nation are very mild.
Very mild. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click on the red subscribe button below so you can get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.